who would you want to show the trailer to first? And of course, it's Rajinikanth Garu. Compliment from the director is the biggest award. Arundhati was something, a big learning for me at that point. The biggest advantage, Enika, is you learn so much. See, it's great, it's because I feel for someone of his status to do that is because that purely defines and shows, because they asked us a question on Twitter that who would you want to show the trailer to first? And of course, it's Rajinikanth Garu, because it's always nice to when someone, if you passion, hard work, when we've done a product, the first thing you'll want to do is to show it to someone who equally believes in it so much and equally is waiting genuinely from the heart to make sure that it does well. So you always want to show it to someone like that, and I feel he is an epitome of that. They totally, this is a folklore, which is a lot of fantasy, there's lots to it. If you take Rudramadevi, it's history. It's something which is in part of our records, and the challenges there we face is we have to keep it as close as possible. First of all, you can't, about that era, about what happened there, we don't have much records about it. So trying to, taking a certain amount of cinematic liberties to show it, because you have to present it well tomorrow for us to go and watch it. Taking a certain amount of cinematic liberties, we've stuck to the history as much as possible. And in Bahubali, it is again, we don't have parameters. It is a period thing, but it was before when guns and other things were invented. So it's more of just both hand, more of other equipments. But we don't have a limitation in terms of how far we can go. See, Ramya Krishnan Garu, Satyaraj Garu, Nazar Garu. Nazar Garu is like family to me. Keeping all of that aside, I feel each one are legends in their own space. They're great performers. They've been in the industry for years that even I can't think about. And they've given some of the best performances. So I feel for us to be sharing screen space with them, it's a good thing, because that's what you learn. They just didn't reach where they are just like that. So, and still till date, the amount of dedication, what they have for their work is amazing. I think that's something that all of us have to learn. The trailer is out, and actually the first in trailer Bombay la paate, when we presented the trailer in Bombay, appata na first time paate. So I can't even say how do you feel, because when if sometimes you can't say things, because sometimes I feel you say words to express it to someone. If you ask how was the feeling, I'll say it was awesome, very nice, but that's really not what I feel. What I felt when I saw the trailer was I was just quiet. I just saw it, it was larger than life, it was beautiful, and it takes back to the time when what we were shooting and all that, and it's very nice to see that, because the cinematographer, the director, their families, the technicians, have put in a lot of effort. So it's always nice to see a good output on screen. We'll start shooting very soon. One release, as soon as it's released, we'll have a time for some promotions, and we'll plan the shoot again, and then we are starting again. Of course, we had a great experience working with him for Vikram Arkadu, him and his whole family. Even his wife Rama, she was the designer even for Vikram Arkadu. So again, being a part of that whole group it's always fun to work with them. That's a pleasure. And apart from that, of course, working with him as a director, other than the person that he's working as a director, is a great boost. I see every movie that I've done, that I do with him, I'm sure it's something which will help me and give me a great boost in my career. I feel the biggest award is for film Panambodu. The director or character, he would have thought in his head. and for an artist to do justice to that, compliment from the director is the biggest award, and especially from Rajmouli Garu when he says no, whereas he is not someone who will just simply compliment. A scene Panambod, if he really likes something, he'll say something like, yeah, it was nice or good. I feel that's very important for an artist, and of course awards and all that, they're a boost definitely to everyone's career. For everyone who's worked with Rajmouli Garu, எல்லாரும் தெரியும் that the amount of homework அவங்க ரொம்ப homework பண்ணுவாங்க அவங்க character பத்தி. So he is very very clear what he requires and very very clear what he doesn't require from you, which I feel is very important, knowing what is not required from your characters. And shooting Panambod, a lot of times he'll show you what to do, what not to do. So and whatever is required from you, nobody's let loose. We had like physical training, it's all a part of it. So he guides. See, it's definitely a lot of physical preparation that we required because the kind of costumes that we're wearing, the kind of work that we had to do, and definitely it was Rana and Prabhas and all who is much more than what we required. But even we had Tamanna and me, all of us had to do a bit of training. It was required, yeah. அவங்க ஒரு ஸ்டோரி கன்சீவ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அண்ட் அந்த ஸ்டோரிக்கு வாட் ஆர் த ரிக்வயர்மெண்ட்ஸ் இன் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் காஸ்டியூம்ஸ், இன் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் சாங்ஸ், இன் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் லுக்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆல் த கேரக்டர்ஸ், everything is only within the story's parameters. இப்போ ஒரு அப்படி ஒரு கமர்ஷியலாக பண்ணோம் and there's nothing being added which is outside the characterization of the movie. See, the lot of characters which have maybe characters that you do that will always stay in your mind, that they have nice characters, and Devasena definitely is a character that I will cherish for the rest of my life. I'll always remember that I've done a nice character. I feel it's something with every artist. When you do a nice character, it's something you'll want to show it to your next generation to come. It's always that will be in the back of your mind. So Devasena is definitely one which I'll be very proud to be a part of. I feel if you see all the characters in all the movies, somewhere they can mirror certain bits, because human beings have certain shades which each human being in different situations, in different aspects of your life, we go through it. The most calmest of person can lose it sometimes. It's again a situation, doesn't mean you're like that for the rest of your life. So I feel everyone has a shade which come out at the right moments and go, but I don't think any shade defines you as a person permanently. This film stands ways apart from all the other films that I've done, because the story itself is extremely powerful, and I feel this is one film which I've seen in a very long time, where each and every characters in the films are so well written and they're so powerful and have such a beautiful shade to them. So it's great being a part of this project. Actions, it's not exactly say that's what I don't want to make it like in the film there are 3 songs, 2 action bits, 1 idu. I don't want it to it doesn't come under that category itself. ஒரு formula illa இந்த படத்துல, இது ஒரு story இருக்கு, and how genuinely you can put across the story to the audience, that's the only parameter of this. Arundhati was something, a big learning for me at that point. So I'm glad I could do that. So that's why I could understand this better. My knowledge of CG and VFX not improved. I'm beginning to understand it. From someone who had no clue about it, understanding it. I've come that far, and it's definitely something which is very interesting to know different aspects of it.